this is not a programming error. Yes, you have tuned into the right show. Welcome to Lessons in Marketing Excellence. I'm Sandeep Shrikant, and this week I'm particularly excited about our campus round because I get to drive a BMW around all day. I'm having to battle my way through Mumbai's rush hour traffic today because the institute hosting us this week is in one of the city's busiest suburbs. This week, Lime is on campus at SP Jain Institute of Management and Research.
SPJIMR had modest beginnings in an extension of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's campus. Today, it appears on coveted B School rankings like the ones by the Financial Times, Business India and Hindustan Times, and has international campuses in Dubai and Singapore. The students here give great importance to music, dance and other extracurriculars, so the campus was buzzing even though Lime was there in the middle of autumn internships.
If you haven't guessed already, the case study this week for the teams from SP Jain is from BMW, the best-selling luxury car maker that makes both young boys and grown men go weak in the knees. In 2009, the industry sat up and took notice as BMW beat long-term market leaders Mercedes-Benz to become the #1 luxury car brand in India. Since then, the company has worked hard on maintaining that leadership position. Let's take a look at the challenge the teams are faced with.
BMW has had a great run as India's #1 luxury car maker. It sold 6,246 cars in 2010, ending the year with a 40% market share, and is now focusing on further growth by increasing its production capacity to 10,000 units a year and expanding its dealership network. The company that's pulling out all the stops to strengthen its leadership position wants ideas from the teams at SP Jain.
For us, it's a very fundamental and key question. What is the future way now for BMW here in India? And I think it includes a lot of questions. So what is the overall premium car market in India? How will it develop over the next years? What are the customers behind? What is their affinity towards premium? And how does the whole market will develop?
So the challenge for the teams is to prepare a strategy for BMW to maintain market leadership and widen the gap between itself and competition. This involves an evaluation of customer perception and the competitive environment and understanding the drivers of luxury consumption.
SP Jain has done consistently well in Lime but has always fallen short of making it to the finals by the smallest of margins. They were third in the first year and fourth in season 2. And the two teams participating this year are determined to keep that flag flying high. Our first team is Team 702. Anubhav, Uttam and Tarun, welcome to Lime. Okay, now you guys have just come out from your internships and I'm sure you'll agree in the world out there to be a winner, you need to be a good team player. So that's what we're going to test today. We have a little parking teamwork challenge.
But it's not as simple as you think. One of you needs to parallel park this BMW. Obviously your friends can assist from the outside, but you can only use your rear view mirrors. You cannot look behind you while you're driving. You cannot hit the cones. Hitting a cone will lose you time. Obviously the quickest team wins.
Who wants to drive? I'm sure all of you do, but... So Tarun, you're going to drive?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's get started. Bring it straight, bring it straight.
अब थोड़ा घुमाना चालू कर दे. हाँ, थोड़ा सा. बस.
Time to let you in on a little secret with parallel parking. It's very, very important to know where your left rear wheel is at all times. And it's important to turn in sharply. What they've gone and done is gone too far away from the left-hand side, so he doesn't know where his left rear wheel is, and then he's trying to turn in, and that's not going to work.
It's not going perfectly inside, dude. वो पूरा बाहर जाके तेरे को वो करना पड़ेगा. टच हुआ क्या उधर? देख, टच नहीं होना चाहिए. इतना स्पीड में मत ले, चल आगे ले ले. हो जाएगा, अब हो गया.
You're done. Our second team from SP Jain this week is a team of first years, the Spartans. Pooja, Priya and Hari, welcome to Lime. Are you ready to tackle our mega BMW parking teamwork challenge?
Absolutely.
And who's going to be driving?
I am.
Alright, so Hari, let's get going. And there you go, that's the first touch. Already losing some points there.
पीछे stop go behind turn this side पीछे सामने ले आगे ले
The thing with parallel parking, it's a bit like management. You need to have a proper strategy and a plan. They seem to have it at the beginning, but right now, they're fumbling around.
Stop, stop. थोड़ा आगे ले.